Okay, let me just say, I just woke up from a nap. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a lot of things from TikTok. I watch TikTok literally every single day. So this is gonna be like, I'm gonna make like 4 things from TikTok, and the first thing I'm going to make is whipped coffee because I need it right now. I just woke up and it's literally only 9 o'clock. I woke up from a fat nap, let me tell you. I saw it and I was like, I think I can make that. So I went to the store earlier, and got whipped. I got instant coffee and all this other stuff to make it, but I'm gonna show you guys the TikTok that I'm gonna be recreating. So basically, it's just like adding instant coffee. I got this one and like sugar. You whisk it like crazy and then it forms this cream, and then you guys saw it, so. Okay guys, I am done with my whipped coffee, and oh my god, I tasted it already because I wanted to make sure it's good, and it's freaking bomb. I feel like I added too much caffeine because I put like 2 bags. I feel like I just need 1, but other than that, it's freaking good. I would do it again, to be honest. Anyways, now that I'm gonna be awake, the next thing I'm going to make brownies, but the TikTok viral brownies. Bro, I just saw them and I had to get cookie dough today to make these brownies with Oreos, and then you guys would just see. Anyways, I'm gonna play the TikTok. Okay, so I got my babies, I got my Oreos. If you know me, you know I eat this stuff on the daily, trust me. And then I got brownies, and then my cookie dough. So we're about to make this real quick because I already know how to make brownies, and this is gonna be quick, and I already have my oven preheating, and then yeah. Okay, so everything's like finishing up. Those two are finishing up. So I'm going to make vanilla bean frap. It's very easy, so that's the next trending thing on TikTok. So I'm gonna show you guys the TikTok.
Fight.
Okay, I thought the brownies were done, but they're taking forever to finish. But here is the vanilla bean frap, and it's amazing. This took a lot of work. It's been like 2 hours now, but I was doing nothing anyway. All these TikTok trends are like getting me insane. Like, I've been thinking about this for like weeks, but never did it. But I finally had the balls to do it, so. I don't regret it either because everything is so good. I'm tasting this monkey bread right now, guys. This monkey bread came out so good. Golden brown. Ooh, just. Well, anyways, guys, everything was so bomb and you should try it. Oh my gosh, everything on TikTok is amazing. There's more on TikTok, but I didn't have the patience to do everything, but like, it's amazing. But these were like my top ones I wanted to try and it came out amazing. And yeah, so anyways, I'll end the video with some like clips of the food and stuff. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Ain't lying, you whipped it like you. Hey, so tell me when it's not around. Suavemente, besame. Hey, here we go, here we go, here we go. Hey. Okay, I should have got friends, but like social distancing. Well, anyway,
Fight.